In this video, I'll be swatching the new Seaglass Shimmers Summer Collection from Essie. This collection features 6 unique shimmer finish polishes with a beachy theme. First up, we have World is Your Oyster, and this is a lilac purple with a periwinkle opalescent shimmer. First coat applied pretty good and fairly even with minimal brush strokes, which tends to be a problem for frosty, shimmery shades. The second coat deepened the purple and it completely covered my nail line. These Seaglass Shimmers have an intense, almost chrome-like finish with the built-in opalescent shimmers, so you're going to get a different look in different lighting. They also give me early 2000s vibes with this sort of frosty glow that they have, especially this purple shade. Next is You, Me, and the Sea, and this is a magenta pink with a sparkle of orchid purple shimmer. This one applied gorgeously, and spoilers, it has the best application and color payoff out of the entire collection. This shade of pink is almost jewel toned, so it's very dimensional, and that shimmer just adds an extra pop. It's very candy-esque. Here is 2 coats of You, Me, and the Sea with no top coat. Next is Coral Coast, and this is a coral peach shade with a golden shimmer. This one was very light in color and pretty sheer on the first coat, but the golden shimmer packs a huge punch when it hits the light. This one actually might look good sheer if you want to rock it that way. The texture of these polishes, especially this one, is a little goopier than normal, so you need to be kind of mindful about application and try not to over manipulate it too much. And I also recommend really allowing these to dry between coats to prevent streaks. I did have to do 3 coats to completely hide my nail line, but it's really worth it if you want to put the time into it. This color looks super glowy in the sunlight, and I think it'd be especially gorgeous on deeper skin tones. Next, we have At Sea Level, and this is a very pretty, almost icy, pale seafoam blue shade. This one was probably the most finicky to apply, which sucks because it was the prettiest color to me. It was pretty sheer on the first coat, but I also noticed it seemed a little grittier than the others, and it had more streaks. Fortunately, a lot of the streaks do diminish as it dries. Also, since these are metallic in nature, I suggest not capping the free edge at the end because you'll see that horizontal swipe. Instead, do it first so you can smooth over it with the layers. Here is 2 coats of At Sea Level. Next is Don't Be Salty, which is a super pretty light pink beige shade, almost like a pale rose gold. This one applied like the last one, sheer on the first coat, but it did build up in the second. Another aspect of these shimmer shades is that in sunlight, you'll get a strong chrome-like shine that makes the color look even, but then you shift your hand and you can see streaks and even some nail line. But that's pretty much only in harsh artificial light. In the daylight, these just glow and look really pretty. And lastly, we have High Tides and Dives, which is a bronze shade with a little bit of a burgundy flash in the shimmer. This one started pretty streaky on the first coat, but it became fully opaque and gorgeous on the second. This polish has such a multi-dimensional color shift. On the edges, it's a little bit of a burgundy bronze, and as you move, it becomes a cooler bronze. Here is 2 coats of High Tides and Dives with no top coat. There are the 6 new shades from the Essie Seaglass collection. Overall, I really like the colors. The formulas aren't the best, but they are workable. My faves from the collection are You, Me, and the Sea, At Sea Level, and Don't Be Salty, but they're all definitely very unique. Let me know in the comments if any of these polishes jumped out at you and if you're going to pick any of them up. Also, I will be doing Swatch Week this week, so make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this video, you can check out my Swatches playlist by clicking your screen here.